Refer and win up to 630 DOGECOIN. Invite your friends to sign up to Binance and win prizes together. Activity details. Refer your friend to sign up to Binance and you will each receive 30 DOGECOINs when the new user completes Kick. If you refer 5 new users who completes Kick during campaign period, we will offer you another 30 DOGECOINs as a one-off reward which is only available once during the campaign period. Your cumulative referrals during campaign period can be found in the table above. It is refreshed daily and will only include users who are qualified under our terms and conditions below. Terms and conditions. This promotion is eligible only for those who are KYC'd in selected markets for both the referrer and the referred. For every successful referral, both the referrer and the referred will earn 30 Doge coins. You need to sign up using the Sign Up Now button for your referrals to be counted. The refereed user must complete Kick before the campaign ends to be considered for rewards. For both referrer and the referred, DOGECOIN vouchers will be dispatched within 10 days after the campaign ends. Users will be able to find them in the rewards center. Each referrer will be rewarded up to 20 successful referrals and receive the corresponding rewards. Only the first 250 successful referrals every day, 00002359 UTC, will be rewarded.